ka naman.
Oh my God.
Oh my.
Lasang Starbucks naman ka din?
Welcome to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today, ang gagawin natin is coffee.
Gawa mo naman kami.
Nanay also wants coffee.
Oh, I threw the water. Hindi. Gusto mo mamatika mo muna? Ha?
So, ang pinipila natin is Nescafe.
Ilang grams yan?
Ano ba, Chi? 100 lang.
100? Yeah. Mura na yun sa ano? Sa Shopee.
Hindi,
200 yan.
Yung ano.
Ha?
Baka nagpamahal. Mas mura pa nga mama siguro yung sa Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Okay, one spoon.
Tama mo yung binili ko?
2 spoons.
Ano ba kadami?
Well, for me, but for you, siguro 1 lang. Wow. And just let it cool. We need the water first, mami.
Ganyan na?
No, palamigin.
Tapos, saan yung
Milk.
milk?
This thing is only good for how many lang?
Kaya nga eh.
Oh my. Is it plastic?
Plastic. Baka, may normal ba na Nescafe? Hindi Nescafe Gold? Kaya mas mura pa yung Starbucks na coffee bean.
But the coffee bean, of course, is cheaper.
This is a Starbucks cup,
Ay,
by the way.
ano yung coffee bean?
Yung coffee bean, i-studio ba? Meron din coffee grounds Starbucks.
Ano ba?
Alam ko. Wow! It dissolves! Oh, it dissolves pala.
Ano mo?
Yung sa akin kasi it doesn't dissolve. I need pa yung...
Ano nga, coffee ground yun. Eh, cheap lang yun.
Baka mama kaya na tayo dito dalawa.
Baka palagay ko.
Oh, stop na. Stop na.
Hindi, you need water, right?
No! Okay na to. We will be putting icy. You want cold? No.
What?
You want cold or no?
Yeah, cold, of course. I want it sweet.
Okay, so 2 coffees. Okay, so kumuha tayo ngayon ng ice
How about the
and
sugar?
coffee.
Wait! What sugar?
Wala ba sugar? Wala. Kailangan ko may sugar sa akin.
Nanay says kailangan may sugar sa coffee niya.
Well, we'll put sugar in yours, mother.
So, this is 1 tablespoon and this is also 1 tablespoon ng Nescafe Gold. Diyos ko, kamahal na ito ha. And then my ice dito because this will be for iced coffee.
Which one?
And
Mama, saan?
ito ang preferred ng kapatid ko, silk almond milk.
Mama, saan? itatapon.
Makalat. Makalat, guys.
Makalat siya.
Kailangan matuto kung paano hindi magkalat. This is the almond milk. Okay. Nanay is putting Muscovado
Mama, stop niyan.
in her...
Nilalagay pa tayo ng caramel sauce.
Oh, shit. Yan na
And
yung sugar.
then...
Kaya nga eh.
Huwag na ako caramel. Hindi na yan.
You need to put it in a thermos or something.
How much is that thing that you bought?
This one?
Yeah.
1,000 yan.
Oh, shit.
Mahal.
Etong cup?
Huh?
It's like 1,600 or something.
Ah! By the way, ito din yung recommended ng kapatid ko. Okay daw ang clean canteen.
How much is this? As much as I want?
Ay, Mama, wait. You have to put ano pa, ice. Pero we put it sa ano na lang, sa thermos. And then, you just put straw.
Thermos.
Yeah, kasi yung ice, hindi siya
Hershey.
Pero yung sa'yo, hindi. Yung sa'yo, hindi.
Yung sa akin hindi kasi nga nasa thermos. Pero yung thermos,
Yeah, the black one. Yeah, that's one. That's one.
yeah, by French cake. They gave this to me for my promotion. You see it? I know I did.
So, put more. This.
We're gonna put ice first, so it's cold.
Now, how about this?
Which one?
The almond milk.
There's no exact science.
Can I put?
Oh, well, lagay mo muna lang here. Ito muna yun here. Para hindi na
I can't mix it when it's there already.
Oh, yeah, you can't. Oh, sige.
Well, you can shake it though.
I can't.
Okay, so put in
It's
the
really
milk.
thick. And then, how about the caramel? Can I taste?
Usually you estimate too.
Yeah, still need the caramel.
Hershey's caramel?
How much did you put?
Yung sabi ko sa YouTube, it's like 7 na ganon. 7 na times ka na mag...
Oh my god.
Oh my.
It's really good, huh?
Sarap?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay na?
Mm-hmm. I think I'm good
Approved
at
by
this.
Nanay. Lahat ng niluluto niya masarap.
But it's hot.
No.
Nasang Starbucks na ba, Mother?
Mm-hmm. Better, actually. It tastes better than my what's it called? Mocha frappuccino. Tastes better than my mocha.
Better daw than mocha frap.
I think we need to buy a blender for the frappuccino. Kaya ba yan?
Okay. Naglagay ng flask. Is it called a flask?
This is not the flask.
What is that?
It's a
Funnel?
funnel.
Naglagay ng funnel.
It's just that, yeah, it's makalat, no?
Oh my gosh.
Oh! Pumasok na lahat. It all went in.
And then, you can put like more ice. You want it to be more cold. It's so good if it's... Eh, mama ko ka straw dyan.
Yeah.
So this, guys, This is the Nescafe Gold Coffee with Nescafe Gold. This is the finished product, guys. 400! Oh my gosh. Ah! Just go, guys. Okay, wala. So this is for Mama, Nanay. This is for Nanay. And this is for Kelly.
Coffee. Hindi na siya yung katulad sa akin na inaano ko pa yung pinifilter. Say.
Okay guys, so there you go. Nescafe Gold Coffee.
Yung bangus daw at silon ka na daw.
Okay, bye. See you in the next